Hi everyone, this is Grace and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to decorate a hand-lettered baby plaque. The first step, of course, always is to outline and flood your cookie. For this cookie, I decided to do a 2 consistency outline and flood, which means I'm using a piping consistency to outline and then flooding with a thinner consistency. I chose to do 2 consistencies for this cookie because of all of the different edges, unique edges around the cookie. I find that when you're doing a cookie like this, that's so specifically shaped, I like to do a outline first so that I can really catch all of the edges of the shape of the cookie. My flood consistency here is a little on the thicker end, but with a little jiggle, it settles just fine. The next step is to outline the lettering using a projector. You want to use a piping consistency for this outline. And you can see that I am outlining all of the sections that are going to be flooded next. It's really important to work slowly here. I am not a master at lettering by any means. I'm very much on the beginner end of it, but this is the idea of what you want to be doing. If I was a little more meticulous, I would go in with a scribe and actually help all those connections of the piping connect more seamlessly. I was working pretty quickly here, so I did not do that. Once you have that outline done, then you want to immediately go in and actually flood with a flood consistency icing. To get the most seamless look, you will want to then immediately take a scribe and help the icing, the flood icing, more seamlessly interact with the piping consistency that you've just done. You could also do this after letting the outline dry first. I find that it's a little easier to get that seamless look for myself if I do it immediately after piping the outline. It's all about the patience and the details in this kind of lettering. Patience is not normally my strong suit when it comes to details like this, but it's really necessary. So once you are done with that step, you are all done with the cookie, and I hope you have fun making your own hand-lettered baby plaque.